everybody. Welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Thursday, May 29, 2025. I'm Jeremy Crosby. Hope you're having a great day and glad you're tuning in with us for your TF headlines. We start with the city of Fitchburg recognizing Pride Month and Juneteenth through flag-raising ceremonies and proclamations. The flag ceremonies will take place. First one will be the Pride flag re-raising here at City Hall. It's on Monday, June 2nd at 4 p.m. at City Hall flag poles. And then on Friday, June 16th, we'll do the re-flag raising of Juneteenth flag. That's June 6th at 2 p.m. Again, same flag pole here in front of City Hall. And then proclamations will be done at the first Common Council meeting in June. So we'll have more details as we get closer to that event. Splash Pad is open at McKee Farms Park. It opened up today, and not a bad day with the warm weather out there. The splash pad is open after it had a repair that we found last week. A little bit of a water leak is what we were told. Nevertheless, it is open today, May 29th through Labor Day. Hours are 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. It's located at McKee Farms Park, 2939 Chapel Valley Road in Fitchburg. 2025 is a reevaluation assessment year, and we had our assessor on the show a couple weeks ago, and you can check that out. But for your reference point here, in a reevaluation year, we still review all of the changes that occur in the maintenance cycle, except we complete additional complete additional steps. We analyze economic changes and apply market updates to set assessments at fair market value. Assessments fall into two broad categories: maintenance and reevaluation. Maintenance consists of utilizing the assessment roll from the previous year and updating the values to current levels of an assessment when changes are warranted. The open book is scheduled as well. All of this, by the way, you'll be getting in the mail your updated assessment information, but open book is scheduled for Monday, June 9th through Wednesday, June 18th, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday through Thursday, and 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. on Friday. Board of review is scheduled for Thursday, July 24th at 9 a.m. Ready, Steady Fall. This is an event put on by UW medical students here at the Fitchburg Senior Center. And they invite you to join us for this interactive information session on fall prevention. Learn how to assess fall risks, help a friend or yourself up from a fall, and the basics of all fall first aid. Create your own emergency information sheet to display on your refrigerator for EMS to try out your exercises for strength and balance, and stay on your feet and maintain independence Of course, there'll be a Q&A session as well to follow, and dress to get down on the ground and back up if you're able. Wednesday, June 11th, 10:30 a.m. No registration is required. It'll be at the Fitchburg Senior Center. Once again, Festa Italia is back this weekend at McKee Farms Park. It's Saturday and Sunday, and we'll celebrate the Italian Workmen's Club. It's a fundraiser for them for their scholarship fund. And we're happy to have them back here in the city of Fitchburg. They have some great bands as well, of course, great entertainment, great food, and admission is $7. Kids 12 and under are free. Parking is free as well, and there'll be some shuttles from several parking lots in the area as well. And we'll be out there on Saturday afternoon from 3 to 5 p.m. for a little bocce tournament put on by the city of Fitchburg, hosted by the Festa Italia folks there. So we hope you'll see you out there for that. Otherwise, we just hope you'll come out and enjoy the nice weekend, because there's a lot of great things coming up there. All right, and finally, we talk about next week is Bike Week in Wisconsin, and there's some biking events happening, including one from Bike Fitchburg. They'll be hosting their Bike Fitchburg Commuter Station on Tuesday, June 3rd from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. at the Velo Underround. Celebrate Wisconsin Bike Week 2025 with a pit stop to the Velo Underround, and that is kind of the confluence of the Badger State Trail, Capital City State Trail, and Southwest Cannonball and Military Ridge Pass. Your hosts are Bike Fitchburg and the City of Fitchburg, the Fitchburg Chamber of Business Bureau. Enjoy bagels, coffee, pick up some information, maps, and more. And, of course, enjoy a nice bike ride. We hope for some great weather. There's a whole bunch of things happening, by the way, next week for Bike Week, which you can check out on Bike Fitchburg's website. Have a good day, everybody. We'll see you back here tomorrow.